Hi, I'm Alan Sagano. I'm the president of ADS Consulting Group, and thanks a lot for listening to this video presentation on a network physical. So what is a network physical? Well, basically it's a review of your existing systems. It's similar to a physical you might get at your doctor's office, except it's for your network infrastructure and not for you. We suggest performing a network physical for any of our new clients. Another analogy I use is that, you might be an expert chef, but you may not know where everything is in the kitchen. So it also helps us to get familiar with your infrastructure so that if we make changes, we fully understand it before we try to change anything. So this streamlines the upgrade process for any new upgrades because we're familiar with your network configuration, and it also we go through and we document your network configuration during the physical as well. So the process involves a couple of steps. We make an appointment to gather information about your network. This includes, but it's not limited to, your virtualization infrastructure, servers, workstations, backup strategy, which is really important, especially if you're virtualized. Are you getting image backups of your VMs? Internet connectivity, do you have redundancy? Is your internet line mission critical? How is it being used? Do you have enough bandwidth for what it is that you need to do? Your firewall configuration, your WAN configuration, Active Directory, disaster recovery, remote access, network security, wireless, and we may look at other areas as well depending on what we find in those areas. So after we gather this information, we organize, document, and analyze your current network config. And then the first part of the network physical summarizes what you currently have. This is the report that we'll generate after we've done the analysis. And the second part gives you a prioritized list of suggested improvements. Each item that's called out will have an estimated cost for the improvement. And often we've found that the first few items really should be done together to minimize the installation costs, as well as you kind of almost need to do these 3 things or 4 things at once, otherwise don't bother because they all need to be done simultaneously. Some of the items can be upgraded a la carte, and the lower priority items can often be deferred. So some of the benefits are improved stability, reduction of downtime, lower total cost of ownership, documentation of your current network, of course, possible reduction in WAN charges. We might be able to get a WAN line that's both faster and cheaper, perhaps. We had one client where we did a network physical for, and we were able to increase their WAN speeds by a factor of 7 at double the cost. So that was a pretty good improvement for them. Increased fault tolerance is another benefit. Improved network security and improved network performance. So for more information on having us come in and perform a network physical for your company, please give us a call. You can reach me, Alan Sagano, at 310-541-8584 at extension 100, and then use the Find This Now Person feature. Or you can email me, Alan Sagano, at asugano@adscon.com. Thanks a lot for listening, and we hope to hear from you soon.